And we got this little sign. And
we let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. But you and me are thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I fill up your plate. We talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour and how your family's doing.
what's good, YouTube? Thanks for tuning in to the world of Team Dawson. Today I have my beautiful little princess here,
And I got mine.
Naomi.
And I got mine.
What am I?
Sweet mama here.
Mama Dawson. And today we are going to be doing a little souvenir haul, I guess you can call it. By the time you watch this video, there will also be another video up already. I did a video with Daddy. We did a haul on some stuff we bought from this app, Top Hatter. So be sure to check that video out too, please. So, would you like to get started?
Mm-hmm.
Without further ado, let's get into the video. So, the first thing we have here, we went to this little aquarium, and if you saw the vlog Adventures in Maui, you will have saw the aquarium. And since we are a military family and we do a lot of traveling, we thought that these were cute for the kids. They are basically little luggage tags. And on the back, you know, you just put your name, your address, and everything, your phone number. And that's basically all it is. You just, you know. And they're also waterproof, which is pretty good. So like if you're traveling and it happens to rain, you don't have to worry about, you know, any of that. This one is a tiger shark. It tells you like right here. Each kid picked out one, and then mommy and daddy picked out one just because. Did you pick the shark out?
This one is for Ryan. This one is for Nate. That one didn't matter. That one also for.
Okay, this is another one. It's the same one, the tiger shark one. And then
This one is for Ryan.
we have the seahorse, which is, I think is yours. Did you pick this up? So we have the seahorse
Like
for
it.
my princess here. And then we have a turtle. The green sea turtle, to be exact. The turtle is for the baby boy, Nathaniel, baby Nate. He loves turtles. And we got a second turtle just because.
Okay.
Like I said,
I have this one.
we made sure everybody picked out one. Okay, put that one to the side, baby.
Okay.
And then while we were also there, I guess, let's see. We picked up these little cups for the kids. They were only 99 cents. So we got 5 of them just because, say, if they have friends over, they have cups. And yeah, we thought they were pretty cute. They have like turtles and whales and
Fish.
dolphins and the little Finding Nemo fish on here. So yeah, we was like, oh, these are pretty cute. So we picked out 5 of those. Then we took a picture, and none of us knew we was going to actually go to the aquarium, so nobody was actually dressed up. We had just got off the plane a couple hours prior. But this is our family picture right here. So we got this picture printed out, and then we also had a second one printed out, and for this one we paid for the little frame. It says Hawaiian Islands, Maui, Oahu. It just has the different islands of Hawaii printed all around it, and it was pretty nice. It's very, very nice actually. Let's see. I'll take it out of the box so that you guys can really see it. So the name of this place was the Maui Ocean Center. So if any of you ever get the chance to come to Hawaii and visit Maui, you should check out this little aquarium. It's pretty nice. Like I said, it's a pretty nice frame. We like the wooden type look, so we all chose up on this particular look. And also it has like a little compass. It has like the palm trees. And if you just look into it, it has a lot of detail into it. So, you know, I felt like it would be a pretty good fit into our family and into our, you know, our collection of pictures and everything. So silly. Then our next stop was this mall. I don't remember the name of the mall. However, we did pick out this thing. In our home, we always try to, you know, live right and try to do the right thing. So this little sign here, right here, it says, "Aloha, God bless our home." And then on the bottom it says Hawaii. And we got this little sign, and we figured we'll probably like hang it on our door or like somewhere when you first walk into our home, so that people can see it, and you know, it can also be like a spiritual reminder of just, you know, our faith, and you know, just so we know that our home is blessed. And that's about it. I mean, no one prayed over this or anything, but you know, it's just the concept, it's the principle of everything. So what do you think? Did you like this? And in this one, it has a lot going on too. It has a set of praying hands here.
Butterfly.
It has, like, yeah, she said a butterfly right here. A little palm tree, like right here, like embedded into it. Then it has like this little house to, you know, represent our home. So it's pretty nice. Yes, baby.
The thing I like about it is because these are not like all the way fat down. You have to like feel the little.
Oh, you like the texture?
Yeah.
So yeah,
I
like,
like how they like did it.
so like what she's saying is like, if you look at it, it's not flush. Everything like sits off of it, so it kind of gives it like a 3D, not really 3D, but it's just nice. Like if you could actually see it in person, you'll realize just how nice it is. And then I like how they basically took the twine and wrapped it around and made a frame around it instead of just leaving it just blank. So yeah, it's pretty nice little piece of art right here. Be careful, sweetheart. Put this one right here. We'll leave it right here so we don't break it.
Okay, that one.
And then, so with our children, we always try to let them be free. And so like I said, for our youngest son, his spirit animal, I had scissors. His spirit animal is a turtle.
Like that's his favorite.
And he loves turtles. Like loves turtles. He actually has a pet turtle.
The only thing I love.
So for this particular thing, we saw these and we're like, oh, these are so cute. So not only are these like little t-shirts that have like that have a turtle that's like with an animal on it, it also has like a stuffed animal sold on it. So when if they wear these, you see the little stuffed turtle hanging right there, and it's so cute. So I was like, I don't even know if I'll actually probably let them wear them because I don't want them to mess them up. But then again, if I do, I'm pretty sure they're gonna want to wear them because they're nice shirts.
But they can wash them really good, Paul.
Yeah, I can wash them, but I'll probably just like hand wash them or something.
Yeah, because they kind
But because I don't want, like I said, the little turtle right here to come off.
Or
And then let's see, let's find your shirt. I'm gonna go in order from the youngest child to the oldest.
okay.
Put the shirt
Don't
on
they
that
have
side.
2 turtle shirts?
No, sweetie.
I think I got 2.
No. Oh, never mind. I just realized that the oldest one and this one, Naomi, they both picked out the same shirt.
Because we like penguins.
So this is the penguin shirt,
Oh, I think
and it has a heart.
A heart.
Yeah, it has a heart,
Anyway.
and it also has the stuffed penguin on it. So, you know, I thought it was pretty neat, pretty cool. I wish I could remember the name of that mall because the people that were in that mall, they were so sweet and like so kind.
Yeah, I got
And like, yeah, the lady that was in there, she was like very, very sweet and very helpful. That was in this particular store that we went into to get this stuff. Let's see.
This is the other penguin.
And then this is, like I said, this is just another penguin one. It's the same exact shirt. It has the penguin as well.
That's a little bit bigger.
It's just like she said, it's just a bigger size.
It don't matter, but it don't matter in the same kind.
So yeah, it's the same shirt.
Bigger.
It's just a little bigger. Because like I said, it's for our oldest. So yeah. Yeah, it's folded in and stuff. So yeah, it's pretty nice. I said these shirts are pretty neat. I don't think I've ever seen a shirt that had like a stuffed animal or something sewn onto it. Then Daddy and I, we like coffee, like to get our day started. And we was like, well, we live in Hawaii. We're gonna be here for like the next 2 years anyway. And we actually got a chance to visit Maui. So, you know, this is Daddy's cup. He picked this one out. And it's just a simple like coffee cup. Just simple cup. And
But all different kind of places.
it has the different islands. I can't get the top back on. But it has the different islands. I'm not gonna attempt to say these names. So if you are familiar with the islands of Hawaii, feel free to comment down below and describe. I guess like, you know how people sound out words, so just sound it out in the comment section down below, please and thank you. Like I said, we live on Oahu. I think that's right, Oahu, and we just came back from Maui. So yeah, and then this is my cup. It is basically the same cup except for I don't have the full type thing. Mine is, hold on baby, mine is more narrow here. So yeah, I have the same cup. I have, you know, just that. And I didn't use my cup yet. Daddy used his cup once, but I didn't use my cup yet because I'm not a big coffee drinker. But every now and then I do enjoy a cup of coffee, and sometimes I have to get it on the go. So I just bought a simple one. Yeah. Oh, I had to. I didn't bring it.
You didn't like it?
I didn't bring it. And then last but not least, I picked up this bag. It says, it's like a nice, I don't know what you call this. Let's see if there's a material tag in here somewhere. It says, does it tell us? So it's called jute. So this is a standard jute. The standard jute material, jute, something like that. It's J-U-T-E. And I like this bag simply because, you know, it's just live, love, aloha. And people in Hawaii, they're like so sweet and so kind and so carefree. And nothing really gets them down. And they're always happy and, you know, and I just saw this bag and I was like, oh man, I would really like this bag. It comes, and I actually used it today. I bought it this morning before we left, and I actually used it on the plane to carry some of the last minute stuff we picked up for the kids for carry-ons. So it has this little pouch in the back, which was pretty convenient as far as our tickets went and our IDs and being able to pull out the camera and vlog here and there. I was just able to stick it here and, you know, just keep going. So it made it very, very easy. So I'll probably use this bag on a more like almost every other day, if not every day. I'll probably retire my actual purse because it's so big and I can do everything. And then it also has like the little clamp right here, and you just clamp it together and now it's good to go. And huh?
I did do that, but I didn't
saw it?
really know. And I did that.
And then like the handles right here, they're pretty thick. So yeah, and then like they have like this little cushion or something like inside of it, like sewn in, so it's not like rough on your shoulder. But yeah, all in all, it's like a pretty neat bag.
Really the
So,
round one.
I hope you guys enjoyed our, what do you want to call it? Our, stop baby, be careful. Hope you guys enjoyed our
I hold this.
souvenir haul. It's okay, it won't fall. Hope you guys enjoyed our souvenir haul. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, turn your post notifications on, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, follow us on all of our social media. The link will be in the description down below. And until next time, you got anything to say, girlfriend? You have anything to say, sweetheart? What do you want to say?
Aloha and goodbye.
Mahalo! Mwah.
Another word for it.